Hey, girl, school done 3 o'clock. Oh, you are reach home now?
I was at after school and then I went to go see my friends afterwards.
Hey, friends!
Yeah.
Since you're a big man and you're hang out, I'm going to treat you like a big man. Come to my house.
Mom, why?
No!
Why?
You know what? Like, poor big man can't live here.
But Mom, it's not even that late. Plus I'm 18 now.
18! Give me red money! Since you're 18, you can't manage road by yourself. Go live with your friend then.
But Mom, I can't go live with my friends.
You didn't say that when you're out there, rendezvous.
Mom, you know I can't live with nobody.
Hey, you can't live with nobody. You want to live with me and cause problem. Hold out your hand, take your bag and go. When you find live by your own, you can't rendezvous all night when you want. Me tired of it! Tired of it! You're disrespectful. You're not going to run in here. I'm me running in here. I'm me the captain of this bumbuckler ship here. You have to go. How will you go, girl?
You told me to leave your house, Mom.
So you're going to leave because you have a plan. So you're a bigger man.
No.
You have somewhere to live.
No.
Take your nasty ass in my room. No! Go in my room. Hey,
Yeah.
and next time you come back in your past 3:30, I'm going to kick you in your face, girl. Go in my room.